Breaking for Sunday evening. It's January the 8th, 2017. I'm not seeing anything. This has just happened. I'm not seeing anything on the news about this. No reports. A 6.4 magnitude earthquake has hit Queen Elizabeth Island in Canada. 6.4. They're reporting on the 5.8. 6.4, if you'll notice, Geoscience Australia is reporting, is the source. But when you look here at the 5.8 in east-southeast of Resolute, Canada, USGS is reporting in the source. But they're not reporting the 6.4 detail. Earthquake 36 minutes ago, magnitude 6.4. Queen Elizabeth Islands. So I want to share that with all of you. And again, a little late getting this out 38 minutes ago, but it's strange it's not being reported. As, you know, I'm not finding anything on about this. 6.4 magnitude earthquake, Queen Elizabeth Island, Canada. Let's go to the live earthquake map. Bear with me just for a second. And we're going to try to roll around here. Oh. So you can see they're recording 5.8. Look at the earthquakes. Let's roll it around. You can see here 5.8. But what about the 6.4? So again, breaking story. 6.4 earthquake hits Canada, Queen Elizabeth Islands, Canada, 8 kilometers east-southeast of Resolute, Canada, 5.8. This is just about a half hour ago. Subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you updated.